Hi everyone! In this video, we're showing you how to use Turbolearn AI on your phone so you can learn anytime, anywhere. First, open your browser or App Store. If Turbolearn AI has a mobile app, download it from the Google Play or App Store. If not, visit the Turbolearn AI website using your phone's browser. Log in with your account details or sign up if you're new. You'll land on your dashboard, where you can access courses, quizzes, and AI-powered tools. Use the search bar to find topics you want to learn. Tap on any course to start. Lessons are usually mobile-friendly and easy to navigate. Take advantage of features like note-taking, progress tracking, and AI suggestions. These help you study faster and retain more information. And that's it. Turbolearn AI works perfectly on mobile, so you can learn on the go. Like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more tech tips from us. This has been How to Literally, where we keep things smart and simple and scam-free.